Chris, a member of Binia Cycling Club, is a time trial racer, racing against the clock over distances from 10 to 100 miles. In May 2021, Chris was hospitalised with a serious head injury after being in a road traffic accident when out training. After a long road to recovery, Chris achieved some remarkable results, winning the Welsh Championships at 10, 50 and 100 miles. It's no surprise that after achieving these results, Chris won the Welsh Cycling Association Best All-Round Time Trial Rider competition.
Mae Lewis aelod o glwb athletau Harriers Gaerfyrddin yn daflwr disgen ac yn sprintwr llwyddiannus iawn. Bu'n dioddef o afiechyd am sawl blwyddyn a lygau fod angen trawsblaniad aren arno. Ar ôl cael trawsblaniad aren yn 2017, parhaodd ar ei daith yn y byd athletau, gan ddod yn aelod y dîm athletau trawsblannu Prydain Fawr. Yn ystod 2019, cystadlodd ym mhencampwriaethau trawsblannu a dialysis y byd, gan ennill air mewn rhasys 100 medr, 200 medr, a rhasys cyfnewid 4 wrth 100 medr a 4 wrth 400 medr.
Born and bred in Pontyberem, Johnny Clayton, also known as the Ferret, is a household name in Carmarthenshire and has taken the darts world by storm in 2020 and 2021. In November 2020, Johnny, with his teammate Gerwyn Price, won the Professional Darts Corporation World Cup in Austria, which led him to qualify for the 2021 Premier League darts competition. In January 2021, Johnny won his first individual major televised title at the Ladbroke Masters, and then later that year in May, Johnny was the champion of the 2021 Premier League darts.